So during the previous class, we created our catch system and it is working very good. Or not? Well, let me say that it is not working good. It is catch the responses, but it is not catching the responses in the right way. Let me show you what is working wrong here. Basically, we just destroy everything that we did in the previous sections with this catch system. Let's say that we are going to obtain the current list of users. It is currently cached, and let's go to the next page. So what we can expect is to obtain the users from the ID 17, but, well, we basically obtained the same response again. And if we go to the page number 3, we still obtaining any different result depending of the time of the catch. If we go to the number 4, it's still being the same. And it is even worse. What happened if we try to sort by email, for example? We still obtaining basically the same response. And the problem is simple, and the solution too. So we are not taking into account the URL parameters in order to catch. Basically, we are getting this, so Laravel is ignoring this part of the URL from the catch system. But we need to be careful here, because we don't need only to take into account these, because there not exists any specific order between the query parameters. It means the sort by could be first of the page, and any other parameter could be in whatever position. And that doesn't mean that the result is going to change. In fact, it is going to be the same. What I say is that if I use this here, it is going to obtain exactly the same result. But if we are caching, it is going to be a very different URL. So what we need to do is to sort the query parameters before to catch based on the full URL. So let's do that right now. We just need to obtain the query parameters. And we already know how to do it. After this, we do need to sort the query parameters based on the key of the array. So for this, we do need to use the key sort method. The key sort function acts by reference and not by value, so we just don't need to assign. We just need to go ahead with this, knowing that the query params are now sort. So now what we have this, we just need to build a new query string based on these sort query parameters. So the query string is going to be equals to the query parameters in a string representation. So for this, we need to use an HTTP build query method or function from PHP, sending the query parameters array. After this, we are going to build a full URL that is going to be equals to the original URL and the query string that we recently built. Now, using that URL, we are going to be sure that the catch system is going to change or recreate a new catch version of the request based on different query parameters. So let's verify. We have again the list of users. Very good. And let's go to the second page. It seems like it is working. Let's go to the next page. And seems like it is working as well. So if we send the sort by, it's still working. If we go to the page number 1, we have this. So let's check if it is really paginated. So let's remove the user with this ID. We already removed this, and if we try to obtain again, we can see how it's still being there, but of course, when the catch system is going to be refreshed, it is going to change, like right now. So we can see that now our pagination system is working along with the query parameters, meaning that we have this working with all other features that we implemented in the previous sections. So see you in the next class.